Welcome back to the vlog, XL fam. Today's vid we go to bike shed as usual. You know we had to get the ducks out. Rather than one, we got two. Bikes got shown a little bit of love. And while we're there, you know we had to grab a munch to eat. You can't go bike shed and not eat. So we did that. And then we depart from bike sheds. And we're gonna head to another location which is fantastic for photos. While we did that, we ended up on Oxford Street, so that's the heart of central London. You know, we entertain the public a bit, a couple revs here and there, nothing too crazy. But anyway, we continued the journey from Oxford Street. Now, if you want to see where it is, I put it on the interactive map, but it's right near Hyde Park. Beautiful location. If you go there at the right time, it is stunning. Now, this location was about 20 to 30 minutes, so nothing too crazy. Now, coming up in the same location, if you haven't seen it already, BMW Park Lane invited me down to collect 3 bikes, 100 grand, well almost 100 grand worth of beautiful new bikes. So obviously there is 3 bikes, one of me near 100k. I can't ride for it at the same time. What did I do? I called my boys and said, hey, join me for the day, let's take all 3 bikes out, have some fun, see how they ride, and maybe we cop those, because I was after the new M1000 anyway. My boy wanted the new S1000 and my other friend wanted the XR anyway, so we took all 3 bikes out. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. Once again, thanks to BMW Park Lane for that. And now you guys are all up to speed, let's get on with this vid. It's just a chilled ride through Central. London looked good, the lights looked amazing, the vibe was right. So anyway, you guys enjoy. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Show some love. Subscribe, peeps.
So we just left bike shed and we are now going to Hyde Park apparently. Go for a little ride. Got my friend with his Ducati there, got mine, and we've got the Jigsaw, so let's ride, have some fun, keep it nice and safe. Damn, the Ducati's lights look so good. Please, I never see it because I'm riding the bike, but they look so good. Camera. Obviously, please. Anyway, guys, thank you for the continuous support so far. I absolutely love the support you guys are showing, liking the vids and subscribing. So, yeah, thank you guys. Appreciate you lot. We're gonna go Hyde Park now. I don't really know what's there except for a pond, so that is the next spot. We're gonna check it out. That is what we're about to do. No one wants to pass them. I ain't got time for that nonsense now. I should have stopped. Damn. Mate, get me out of here, please. Damn, London's still busy. What's it? It's like a Wednesday night. Still quite a few people out. anyone seen this? Literally. Hell no. Some food? Let me have a Tito. Oh dear. Ramadan. Nice. Yeah, I like that deck still. They did a good job. Well done. Hyde Park. Fancy. Just as we were going to give it a little bit of juice, we get that. You guys, we're just riding. I'm sorry if there's no much talking, but we're just riding. Nice. Very nice. Sounds good. Sounds good. What is in Hyde Park, London? Oh, this lake. This is where I was going to come on that free down. Well, this is sketch. Hella sketch. This is dark. interesting. Very interesting. Kind of sketch, but interesting at the same time. Okay, I see what they've done here. Oh, that fox is like, no thanks. Ooh. Okay, just what I'm saying, yeah. Oh, what is this phone doing? I thought we just ruined their date. The people on the bench are like, what the hell's going on here? This is pretty sick though. Speaking of dates, have I ever been on a date here? I don't know. Have I? I don't even know. You have? Right, then if I haven't, I need to sort that out.
During summer, because this is nice actually.
Yeah, no, yeah.
During summer, when it's not windy,
it's quite good. No, I totally hear that, man. Definitely. Oh, right, let's kill this.
3:28 a.m.
You guys want a madness, right? Just there, chilling my boy in the Jigsaw. We go to the spot around there. Now I've got a property that I'm trying to get rid of, but it's an astronomical price. It is over £200 million. So we have the property, I have access to the property in here in central London I'm trying to get rid of, right? And I just met one of the billionaire sons in the park, and one of the other athletes, very famous athlete, his brother has a Koenigsegg 1-to-1. They're billionaires from the oil industry. Now he wants to give his brother the details of the property I have access to. It's amazing how you can network with people. And they came over here just to light their cigarette and see if we had a cutter. And then, yeah, long story short, I've now just expanded my network with potentially what hopes I can sell this property to them. Insane! Insane! So yes guys, that spot, Hyde Park, great place to network. Insane! Oh man. Oh, battery's gonna die guys. I'm gonna have to clock out here. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. That's a boy, where'd he come from? Yeah. Guys, thanks for watching, subscribe, take it easy.
And in the next episode, I go to the Formula 1 Experience go-kart track in Tottenham, very famous spot, and I actually go with a few famous people. One of them is Rich32, famous UK artist. I also go with DJ Tiny, who works with Stormzy, and I actually went with Stormzy's and Rich32's tour management team and a few other big names. So we just went out for a night of fun and had a blast. Amazing experience. If you have not been to this place, guys, I advise you to check it out. It was wild. And obviously your boy had to do the quickest time.